Hello. Are you struggling to maintain your house, pay your bills, keep just day to day operations of your life going as a senior? There's a great loan out there, aging in place. It's called a reverse mortgage. Whoa. Don't click off this video yet. This is not the reverse mortgage of old that everybody has that negative connotation about the reverse mortgage. It is a great program for seniors. My mom did one. The reason my mom and I talked about it was either I'm going to have to supplement her livelihood, she's going to have to move in with me, or I'm going to have to give her money every single month just to get by. So, in order not to do that, we discussed having her and her husband doing a reverse mortgage so they don't have to worry about it. I'm going to get that property when she passes. And that's the thing, she has to die in order for me to get the equity out of that house. And I don't care about it. I don't. I'd much rather have my mom alive than have that property. I'd much rather have her in my life. And they don't want to rely on me. If I happen to lose my job or something happens to me, now their livelihood is affected. So a reverse mortgage is a great program for those seniors who are aging in place, who want the roof over their head. They have long-term care. Once you retire, you're only on Social Security. You're only on a retirement plan, a pension plan. You now have a fixed income, unless you go back to work. Then you get taxed on all that stuff that you're getting, that's getting fixed, that's coming in every single month. So for a senior, you have to maintain your home. If you've been there a while, your home's going to go in disrepair. New roof, plumbing, electrical, air conditioning, heating, a refrigerator, washer, dryer, a new car, medical bills. Those things are going to add up. And all you're going to do is drain your bank account. You're going to drain that 401k, the savings, the checking, borrow money from somewhere else. The equity in your home that you are sitting in today can pay for all of that. And guess what? If you want to leave the house to your kids, they still have an opportunity to get that home into their name. And if there's equity in a property, which there probably is going to be, because we're not giving you 100% of this property, we're going to give you a certain percent based on your age and based on the county that you live in, is going to determine how much money a lender can lend you on those two factors. The debt ratio doesn't come into play. You're not going to have a mortgage payment. And there's four things you're going to have to take care of. HOA, if there's any, maintain the home in a livable standard. You can pay your own property taxes and homeowners insurance if you want to do that. If not, we escrow that money for you. So the lender will pay for the property taxes and the homeowners insurance that you don't have to worry about. So now it narrows down to two things. If you have no HOA, now you got one thing to worry about. Take care of your home. And this is going to be like a credit card. You can take some lump sum and then you can leave the rest of the equity into your home and you use it as you see fit, whether that's for medical bills, for prescription, for a new car, to put in a new air conditioning. This is a great, great program. And I love to speak with you more in detail about it so you can take out that negative connotation on what's going on about the reverse mortgage, aging in place. It's a great program. And guess what? There's a lot of checks and balances before you sign that final paperwork. You have to do a HUD counseling and get a certificate so you understand what's going on. Bring your kids in and we can talk to them about it so they know that their asset is protected in the future when that time comes. So a great program. It's not that program back in the 70s and 80s and 90s that everybody's heard about. This is a great, great program that's going to get you through that life of daily stuff, the maintaining of your home and medical. My name is Nathan Rufty. I should have said that a long time ago, but I'm glad you stuck through this video for this about 4 minutes after I said a reverse mortgage, because it's a great program. I'd love to talk to you about it, educate you about it, give you as much information about the program so you can make a good, sound decision for you and your family and your finances going forward. Because we know it's all going to be tough when we stop working and we have to rely on the market to give us our 401k, give us our stocks, give us our bonds, give us our investment. If you don't have a pension plan, and the Social Security is going to come, but it's going to come very slow every single year. And things rise then faster than those incomes that come in, your pension and your Social Security. So if you're not working and you got to rely on those fixed income coming in, a reverse mortgage is something you should really, really explore. My name is Nathan Rupp with Canopy Mortgage. All my contact information is below. If you know of anybody that is looking for a reverse mortgage, that is struggling, open that conversation. At least the conversation, they will be educated to make that good decision to say, yes, it's right for me, or no, it's not right for me at this time. Now they know. And I love to connect with them and give them that information. Nathan Ruffey, Canopy Mortgage. We do this. We have a team of people that do this and walk you through it. It takes about 30 days. We can discuss the qualifications. We can discuss how to take that equity out of your home and use it as you see fit. So give me a call, 909-503-5600. And I look forward to connecting with you on a home refinance. And also, you can do this on a purchase. So you can go into a property, put that money down, and you can do it as a purchase. You built in the equity if you're doing the money down. If you're doing a refinance, you live through building that equity. But I'd love to talk to you about either or. Thank you very much. Have a great day.